Two schools for tonight's show. Defending champions St. Jago High from St. Catherine up against Titchfield High from Portland. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. St. Jago High is represented this evening by Team Captain Janelle Essen, Renice Earl, Renee Somerville, and Nathaniel Baker. While Titchfield High is represented by Romaine Smith, Orlando Lee, Quayne Smith, and Team Captain Alex Anderson. Hello and welcome to the first match in the best-of-3 semi-final series of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. In this round, teams will have to defeat their opponents twice to advance to the grand finals. It all comes down to this: high schools have survived the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to advance to the finals? Let's find out. This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. St. Jago won, but decided to send Titchfield High in to bat first. So we begin with Titchfield High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's get that time on the clock, please. We have it. So we begin Titchfield High with literature. Who was awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Literature?
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong!
That's right, literature for St. Jago. What is the current name of the award given for the best original full-length novel written in the English language and published in the United Kingdom?
Man Booker Prize.
Man Booker Prize!
No, that's incorrect. It's the Booker Prize. International affairs for Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify which island's flag is displayed.
Sorry, Mr. Bermuda? No, Bermuda, the other one. Bermuda. Bermuda!
It's Anguilla. International affairs for St. Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify which island's flag is displayed now.
Bermuda.
Montserrat!
That's right. Jamaican heritage. Titchfield High. Complete the Jamaican proverb. And every chain you hear...
A rolling calf. A rolling calf.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. St. Jago. Complete this Jamaican proverb. And every kinteet...
A laugh.
A laugh.
That's right. French for Titchfield. What does the verb féliciter mean?
To congratulate. To congratulate.
Well done. French. St. Jago. What does the verb répandre mean?
To place.
To replace.
No, to spread, to scatter, to spill, or to extend. Music for Titchfield. Listen to the following clip. Give the title of this song.
I don't believe a word she said. 'Cause she ran away.
Money in my pocket. Money in my pocket.
That's right. Music for St. Jago. Listen to the following clip. Give the title of this song.
Nothing that can go wrong when two hearts beat together.
Revolution.
No, Love Has Found Its Way, both by Dennis Brown. Art, Titchfield. Which local artist painted The Counting Lesson?
Albert Huey.
Albert Huey.
That's right. Which local artist, St. Jago, painted The Hands Which Create?
Barrington Watson.
Barrington Watson.
No, Judith Salmon. Theatre and cinema for Titchfield. Look at the monitor, gentlemen. Identify this actor, please.
Wait. No, other one. Hugh Grant. What am I say? Hugh Grant. Hugh Grant.
That's right. St. Jago Theatre and cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Ben Wishaw.
Ben Wishaw.
Good. Bible knowledge, Titchfield. In which of the Gospels does Jesus declare, I am the bread of life?
Bread of life. More as a Luke, but Matthew sounds sensitive. Alright, email St. Luke. St. Luke. St. Luke.
John, Bible knowledge, St. Jago in the book of Numbers. What animal does Moses compare the people of Israel to when speaking to the Lord?
Wolves.
No, sheep. Sport, a visual one for Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Alright, where I say Nicholas Jackson.
Nicholas Jackson.
No, Jean-Philippe Mateta, French footballer. Sport for St. Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Chris Smalling.
Chris Smalling.
No, it's Michael Olise, also a pro footballer. Biology, Titchfield. Cristatus is the scientific name for which specific bird?
Looks like a peacock. We have peacock. Peacock. Peacock.
Or peahen, correct. Biology, St. Jago. Columba livia is the scientific name for which specific bird?
Woodpecker.
Woodpecker.
It's a pigeon. English language, Titchfield. Identify the preposition in the sentence, I went to a lovely Christmas party.
Two.
Good. English language, St. Jago. Identify the preposition in the sentence, you should draw a curtain over it.
Over.
That's right. Chemistry, and that's the bell already. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be St. Jago High on 4 points, Titchfield High taking the early lead on 8. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. The semi-final match in Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.